Hello viewers, today I will show you how to draw a composition with human figure and animal figure. I'm sure that if you follow this video, you can draw this composition very easily. So let's start the main point.
Friends, today we will draw a childhood memory composition. At first we will draw two vertical lines and a horizontal line. Then draw a circle and an L shape. After completing head and neck, we will draw the body. For the body, draw an inverted glass shape and draw the pant following these steps. Draw the hands and legs using some easy shapes and lines. Now, draw another figure following previous steps. Make sure that you have proper gap between these two figures. So finally, our basic structure is completed. Now we will gradually detail our whole composition. Add a mango tree and fill the background with a beautiful village scenery. So now our drawing is ready to be colored. While using color, we have to follow the direction of the light. I mean, from which direction light is coming. Here, we have to focus in each and every part where light is falling or not. In this way, if we complete whole painting, it will look more natural and more realistic.
complete the painting or let me know about your experience. Do write in our comment box. Till then, bye bye and take care.